What if the safest place for your money right now isn't a bank, a stock, or even a bond, but a piece of metal? Gold has just hit record highs, and silver and platinum are rising fast, too. So what's really going on? Across the world, and especially in the United States, investors are getting nervous. Trade tensions, political uncertainty, rising government debt, and fears of another economic slowdown are pushing people towards safe haven assets. And for thousands of years, that safe haven has been gold. When trust in the economy drops, trust in gold goes up. Another big reason? Confidence in the US dollar and government bonds isn't as strong as it used to be. When investors worry about inflation, government spending, or unpredictable policies, they look for assets that can't be printed or controlled by any one country. Gold, silver, and platinum fit that role perfectly. It's not just regular people buying jewelry or coins. Central banks around the world are stocking up on gold reserves. Why? To protect their economies and reduce dependence on the US dollar. When governments start buying gold in large amounts, prices move fast. Here's something most people don't realize. We can't just make more gold. Mining production grows very slowly, so when demand suddenly jumps, supply can't keep up, and that pushes prices even higher. Silver and platinum are rising too. Silver is used in solar panels and electronics, and platinum is critical for cars and clean energy tech. That means industrial demand is adding fuel to the price surge. So this isn't just hype, it's fear, global strategy, limited supply, and real-world demand all coming together. The big question now is, will prices keep climbing, or is this the peak?